In this video, you'll learn how to use the online wire cutting feature on Gillivan.com. Go to the product page of a wire and click on Cut Wire. Next, enter the desired number of meters, then add a label to easily identify your cut. If you need multiple cuts of different lengths for the same wire, click on Add another cut, and repeat the same steps. This allows you to group all the desired cuts into a single purchase. Please note that the wire cutting feature is only available for certain types of wire. As a result, you may not see this option on some products when browsing the website. Once all your cuts have been entered, you can add them directly to your cart or to a material list. You can also access the wire cutting feature without going through the product page. You can access this option by selecting Quick Shop on a wire while browsing Gillivan.com.